to Dancer Diaries and to today's video, which is all about improvisation. It's a topic that we've kind of implied a couple of times in our videos but never fully explained or talked about. So today I'm going to tell you my #1 tip to improve your improvisation. So I have done a video on improvisation before, you can have a look at that below, I will link it below. But if you are starting to improvise, then this is going to really help you. So when I see lots of dancers improvising, they hear the music, they're listening to the music, and then they're coming into their moves. So for example, you might hear a drum beat, you know, oh, the drum beat, I might do accents with my drum beat. Oh, it's coming through now, more into a shimmy, I can shimmy. Oh, it's coming slower, I can go into my slow moves. And then you tend to get stuck on the same move. So my #1 tip to help you improvise is to use your combinations. Combinations are a fantastic tool because it means once you start with one move in the moment, you're automatically moving into a set of moves rather than just one. This makes it much easier for you and also much more enjoyable for your audience. So it is beautiful to be able to do one move for a really long time as well. So as I said in another video, there's parts where I might do hip circles for ages and then I'll change the hip circles, the way I'm doing the hip circles, but it's also nice to mix that up with more complicated sets of moves. So if you're doing more complicated sets of moves, it's lovely to do your combinations because, for example, so if I'm doing my dual, I might come into something else that is already in my muscle memory that's really beautiful, that makes it more interesting for me and my audience. When you're coming up with your combinations, it's really nice to change how many of each you are doing. So for example, instead of doing right, left, 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 for example, it's nice if you can mix it up so it's not as even and as equal. For example, in the one I was just doing, I'm doing 2 duals, but then I'm doing 1 big circle and then 1 undulation, which makes it a little bit more interesting than if I'd done dual, dual, circle, circle, undulate, undulate. So your homework for this week is to think of your 4 favourite moves, that can be any moves at all, your 4 favourites, and try and bring them into a combination. When you are doing your combination, try and mix up how many of each move you do. So I did this combinations exercise in class the other day, and it's really tempting for you to do, okay, I'm going to do 4 walks forward, I'm then going to do 4 step touches, I'm then going to do 4 side-to-side shimmies, for example. Instead, I want you to try and think of different amounts of times you can do it. For example, you might do 2 walks forward, then 1 step touch, and then you might come into a shimmy totally different. So please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your combinations, your favourite moves. Even better, write me a note and send me a video. That would be great to see. And as always, happy dancing.